If you want to export your Google Sheets into a PDF document, this is video you need to watch. Just stay with me from beginning to the end, because I'll show you how to export only the exact part you need from Google Sheets. Alright, so before we do anything else, the very first thing you want to do is select all the cells you need in your PDF. Make sure you highlight entire table or whatever elements you want included. This is important because only what you select will appear in the final PDF. Once you have your area selected, go up to the top menu and click on File. Hover over Download, and from the options that appear, go ahead and click on PDF. So when this export window opens, let me zoom in a little here so you can see clearly. You'll notice there's an extra column showing that we didn't actually select. To remove that, click on this Export drop-down menu and choose option to export only the selected cells. You can also see grid lines appearing here. If you want to remove them, click on Formatting, then simply uncheck this Show Grid Lines box. And just like that, grid lines are removed from the document. Normally, your PDF will need page numbers at the bottom of each page. If you don't need them, head over to the header and footer section and uncheck Page Numbers box. Personally, I like having page numbers on my documents, so I'm going to leave this box checked. If you want to include current date and time in your PDF document, simply check these two boxes. For me, I don't need them, so I'll keep them unchecked. When you're ready with all your settings, click on Export button. The converted file will be downloaded to your computer, so go ahead and locate that file. Then, open it using any PDF reader installed on your computer. As you can see, we have now a PDF document containing only table we had selected. So, I hope this was helpful, and now you know exactly how to convert your Google Sheets into a PDF document. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.